Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop here with another quick review. Today's magic review is Lucid Dream by Marc Oberon. Hi guys and welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It really does help. So today's review is Lucid Dream by Marc Oberon. Let's check the trailer out right now.
Hi, I'm Marc Oberon, and this is the Lucid coin.
Hi guys, so that was the trailer for Lucid Coin. It looks really good, and it is really good. So what do you get? Well, this is what you get. You get the package, you get the coin inside, and you get the gimmick that's going to enable you to do this with no sleight of hand. Extremely powerful. You get 12 minutes of online instruction by Marc Oberon himself, and he goes over 12 minutes. Doesn't seem a lot, but I can assure you that the angles and everything that he teaches you on, he goes over everything that you need, and it's extremely easy to do. It's not going to take you long at all before you are literally producing and vanishing this coin. It really is good. So it really is designed for the person and the entertainer that's doing a miser stream. If you do a miser stream, I strongly recommend you check this out. So as I say, it's a gimmick that's going to enable you to make the coin vanish and appear with no sleight of hand, and it will enhance it, and it is a beautiful vanish and production. Very soft, very nice. Marc also has a version, or he gives away his version of when he does the miser's dream. So you produce the coin, put it into the bucket, produce the coin into the bucket, produce bucket, produce bucket. We know the routine. And then at the end, very openly, you just all of a sudden reach up into the air and produce a huge handful of coins that fall into the bucket. Very visual. The audible for the spectators watching it is just sensational, and it's his version and way of being able to do that, which is an add-on to this, which is great. I think that does make a difference. So basically, if you actually put these two items together, this and what he's already given you on the download is a beautiful routine for a miser's dream. And honestly, it is such a beautiful appearance. It really is. I can't say any more than this. I don't think you'll be disappointed at all. I wasn't. I was actually impressed with the way that it actually worked. You're not going to get anything that breaks. It's going to last a lifetime, as long as as long as you obviously are careful, but it's not something that's going to break on you. Let me put it to you that way. Very impressed. Guys, this is Marc Oberon's Lucid Coin. If you do a miser stream, please check this out. If you have any questions, send me an email or give us a call at Global Magic Shop HQ. But until next time, if you haven't already liked and subscribed to the video, please do so now. Leave in the comments below. I'm getting a lot of comments now on some of the videos, and I will get back to answering all of these comments, and I do my best. I think I'm up to date so far. So until next time guys, I'm John Fox. Stay safe and bye for now.